Use quick locking clips to connect the LED display screens that need to be spliced together into a single unit. Using quick locks allows all LED display panels to be securely fastened together to form a single, flat LED display. Once assembled into a single, unified LED display, it can be rapidly deployed and relocated using universal casters. Open the waterproof rubber plugs covering the power and signal ports. Please note that to remove the rubber plug for the signal port, you must press down on the metal tab before pulling it out. Then, connect the power cord. Once the LED display lights up, begin connecting the signal cables. First, connect the HDMI cable to the first LED display, which serves as the signal source. Insert the cable into the HDMI out port. Then, insert the other end of the cable into the HDMI in port of the second LED display. Connect the remaining LED displays in the same sequential manner. Finally, simply wait for all the EA1920OP2 LED poster displays to synchronize to a unified image to complete the process.